Okay, hi guys. So Sentry has a very beautiful UI. Like their UI is just amazing. And if you don't know what Sentry is a real-time error detection system and also does performance monitoring for production apps. So what they do is that they constantly scan your code for errors and then they give you reports. Now, it happened that yesterday I was running some topics on debugging node applications, and I happened to come across the entry. And one thing really amazed me in this website, like the UI is amazing. So when you log when you visit the site on the welcome page, they have a statement that reads, "Code breaks, fix it faster." And then what's interesting is that the word break is actually like broken like that, instead of being like this. It's broken. So I was like, what kind of marketing is this? And I was like,
Isn't that concerning?
so I thought to myself, like I told myself, I want to try and implement such a thing. And then I tried it and I found that it was very, very easy. Very easy. Just, easy. So let's try and implement that to see if we can actually have that kind of a styling in our website. So let's see. Okay, so guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. So launch my browser and then I'm in this Sentry website. So you see this is Sentry. So when I have on my cursor over the word break, you see it fixes that line. Uh fix. So code breaks, fix it faster. You see, code breaks, fix it faster. So let's implement that. So I'll open my Visual Studio Code. So I have index empty, CSS empty. So I will tile my windows, bring this to the end. Sure. Then here we want to have some markup in index. So using image completion, let's have that. Then we can actually wrap. So here we have, let's call it Sentry. Then inside the body, we just need the main. Inside here, we need the H1. Sorry, we need the main. Then inside the main, we need a H1, which says uh, card, then a span to hold the breaks, comma. Then after that, let's say fix it faster. Then let's link our CSS here using the link. Then our style sheet is style.css. That is good. So let's open in the live server, dispose that, then go live. So we have it here. Code breaks, fix it faster. After that, now this is the markup is done. That's simple. So let's style it. As to style it, I want to actually pick the background color in the Sentry website. So for that, I have an extension called color picker. I'll click on it to help pick that color. And then you can just click anywhere and then copy that color there. So I'll style my body here, body, then give it a background color of the color that we copied. So let's go back to our Sentry, make sure that we have that. Then the text color given by the color property should be white. Also, I want to give it a general text align of center. Then what else do we need? So we need to sell the H1. H1, we need to give it a font size of 8 rem, could work. Amazing. Then we want to give it, okay, let's try 7 rem. Nice. And then a margin top of, let's say, 8 rem will fit that. Amazing. The next we want to style the span. The span is now the break word here, the break here. So what you want to do, we want to give it a transform of rotate, and this rotation a rotate, and this rotation should be a value or a negative value of, let's say, negative 10 degrees. So you say it doesn't work. For it to work, you have to give it a display of inline block. Display of inline block. That should work. Amazing. The next thing you want to do, you want to give it a transform origin. The transform origin is like the pivot from which that rotation takes place. So in this case, I want to give it to the right. Right. So it means it will take place at the end here. And then we can give it a color of red because it's broken. That is what we need. And then what else do we need here? What else do we need? Okay, we need a pseudo class of hover. So you can just do hover. And let's say on hover, we don't want any transform. So set transform to none. And then let's try that. Amazing. So before that, you see if you do this now, it's so sudden, like it's breaking. So to fix that, come here and give it a transition. Let's give it all a duration of 0.3 seconds, and then is in. We'll solve that. So let's see. Amazing. See, amazing. Next, we want to give it a color of maybe green. Sorry. A color of green. Fixed. So it means it's fixed. What else do we need? Maybe let me reduce the size here to 5 frame. Yeah, amazing. That is good. So see that, see that, see that. Yeah, so that's how you can actually achieve that using simple line of code here. A simple CSS. What's present there is the transform property of rotate -10. Okay, let's give it -8 of -8. Then display inline block transform origin. So what's important is the transform, the display, and the transform origin. This is like the pivot from which is rotated. So and then transition all over 0.3 seconds and is in. So thank you for watching. That is what we wanted to do for this video. Simple as such. Bye bye.